Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I begin, let me introduce myself first. My name is Wahyu Kurniasari. My NRP is 12101711031. In here, I will present my final project proposal entitled Offline Speech Recognition with Free Vocabulary using a Raspberry Pi. Background my final project. Speech recognition technology generally use Google Library or database placed in the cloud, where if using voice recognition needs to be connected to a server in the cloud. Relate if the client use a computer or smartphone only function as a voice recorder, while the recognition process will be carried out by the existing system in the cloud. And if the internet connection is lost, the system is no longer able to carry out its duties. Purpose my final project. Number 1. Make a design offline speech recognition system with a free vocabulary using Raspberry Pi. Number 2. Implement the system design of offline speech recognition. Number 3. Knowing the accuracy of speech recognition offline system. Problem limitation on my final project. Number 1. Testing tools using a microphone, audio sound card, and Raspberry Pi. Number 2. The format of the voice vocabulary file stored is .tic. Number 3. The method used in speech recognition is the Hint Markov Model or HMM. Number 4. Using the C programming language. Number 5. Using the corpus speech database from EEPIS. Next, I will explain some of the hardware that I use. Number 1. Microphone. Microphone I use for record voice. Number 2. Sound card. Sound card that I use for convert analog to digital signal and to process audio or sound. Number 3. Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi can also to be a processor and controller in the system to be made. Software that I use to make a system speech recognition offline, such as Raspbian, PuTTY, and Hint Markov Toolkit or HTK. On the design system, explain some parts of the request process. Number 1. Data or file have been input from a microphone are ready to be sent to the Raspberry Pi. Number 2. Data from Raspberry Pi that has been received of an analog signal and will be sent to the USB audio sound card via Raspberry for modulation. Number 3. Analog signal from a USB audio sound card are processed into digital signal and then produce output in the form of a text or sound command. From inputting the sound that has been recorded by the microphone will process from analog signal to digital. Data will be processed using HTK software by manipulating the hidden Markov model, and later the speech can be recognized, so that it produces the output of a command, both text and voice. The accuracy will be tested in several tests, such as trying to make a sound in a quiet condition, in crowded condition, with a loud voice, with a slow voice, and variety of different sentences. The expected results in this research are helpful users to translate simple voice commands that are useful for human daily life without having to need the networking. That is all for me. Thank you for listening my presentation. Stay healthy, stay safe for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.